This has been sitting out since like 6 p.m. Just like this. No refrigerator needed. More bacteria, the better. I had some watermelon first thing in the morning. So my routine is I space it out. So I just stick with watery fruit. And then before this is to my body, then I have some fat and protein. And it's working good. I definitely feel a boost of testosterone since switching already. All men know when you get that boost, you feel it. And I love that I can just absorb the sunlight. I ain't did a sprint since last month on the 16th. My body's still recovering. I'm just relaxing. I might relax the rest of this. When is this? I'm gonna take months break. I need it.